In this video, I'm going to go through all of the steps to configure your salon service menu in your booking app and showcase it on your salon software booking link. You're going to start in your TimeTailor app. In the Services tab, you will be able to see what services you have listed up to date and add new ones. So let's add a new service category entitled Masks and Massages. You're going to color code this whichever way you like. This influences how an appointment will show up in your calendar. Now that you have a category, it's time to personalize it. Click on Edit, and first choose a relevant picture. You can choose a local file from your computer. I'll go with this one. As you can see, it's pretty specific for the category. You can choose to add a description here if you like. I'll say something like luxurious, nourishing treatments for relaxed and happy feet. Now, choose whether you want to feature this category of services on your website. It's automatically set to yes. After saving, you are now free to add a service inside the new Masks and Massages category. Let's say you want to add a foot mask as a service. I want it to be part of the Masks and Massages category, but you can change the category if needed. Then pick the pricing for your service and the duration of the service, 30 minutes. Now, choose which one of your experts will be able to provide this service. I know for me, Sandra and Jenny will be the ones that can take care of it. Now that you're almost done, another thing you should do is go to Details and add a description. This tells the customer more about your service, and they'll be able to see this in the booking flow. Now I'm going to show you how to add add-ons. You can see I added a new service here inside the same category. When you open the service, click on Add-Ons and add services to upsell. The specific service that works best as an upsell here would be the foot massage. This can be an upsell for the foot mask and vice versa. You don't have to stop here. You can also add, for example, a pedicure. Last but not least, if you click on Settings, you may choose that specific services can only be booked as an add-on. You can do this for services like nail art, additional things that are usually added on top of bigger services like manicures or pedicures. Now that you have everything, go to your dashboard and click on Open Booking Page. Here you'll see all of your service categories: manicure, pedicure, nail care, and now also masks and massages. Let's pretend I want to book an appointment. As I click on Masks and Massages, I can see both of the services we previously added. The first one is the foot mask, where I added a description, and the foot massage, where I didn't. I did this to show how important it is for a potential customer to have a description and learn more about the services they're trying to book. Let's say I want to book a foot massage. I'll book it with Jenny, and since I'm booking a foot massage, I also want to book a foot mask for the ultimate pamper day. And let's also add a pedicure. This is why having add-ons is so important, as they help influence clients to explore and book more services. Now you know how to configure your salon service menu in your TimeTailor salon software. And if you're new, sign up to get your first client booking today.